Traders, September 20th, 2018. It's after the market closed. It's a Thursday. Providing an update on CreativeMed technology, ticker symbol CELZ. Last tutorial, we had a hammer over here, then we had a hammer here yesterday. Been really busy for the last, I want to say almost 2 weeks, so I do apologize if I haven't posted or responded to you guys in a more timely manner. It's just that I've been really busy with everything going on in the last 2 weeks. So CreativeMed, what she has done, she formed a hammer here, and you see this tail. I want you to pay attention to something. We have a bunch of levels of support, and I know I stated certain things in previous tutorials. I just want to provide a refresh update in case I missed something in the previous tutorials. I just want to make sure that we have everything. So we have a triangle pattern. It broke through it, right? Popped up, there's resistance due to this, stated this will happen, went back down. Support seems like right here, bounce right here once again. You see support, so there was a huge seller. I think there was like 1 million shares sold at market in a matter of I think 2 to 3 minutes, and just made a drop. The buyers came back, formed somewhat a hammer, decent volume. Started trailing down, but still above the shadow. And then another hammer was formed, stronger than this one, larger volume. That looks great. Then we have today, little stagnation. Now, remember, we want her to stay above this downtrend, right? Because that is the support. Now, remember when I said X, the cross, the X mark? Okay, now what should happen is this uptrend, CELZ should bounce off it and start trading above there. And this is what should happen in theory. Now, certain patterns and certain chart technical indicators and parameters, some are better than others in ratio as far as the success rate. For example, this particular technical pattern indicator that we're looking, based on this chart, there's about a 60 to 70% ratio that she will bounce off this level and continue heading higher above this uptrend. There's obviously a 30% chance to 40% chance that she breaks under this, right? So this is the support. This is the main support right here. Let me just back up for you, just give you an indication. See this uptrend, right? That's where she's supposed to start trading. But this is another level of support. So you have 2 levels of support with this downtrend that we're above currently or at. 3 levels of support you're at. So in theory, she should start bouncing off this level. If she breaks under 0.0226, you see this 0.0226. So let's say if she closes under 0.0225, maybe even 0.0223, give it some room to run. She closes under there, chances are she'll proceed further heading lower. But you have good odds in your favor based on all these trend lines, and the stock is trading above it. So let's see what happens, and I really think she's going to start trading upwards. If she doesn't and she breaks through the 0.0225 mark, right below this, closes right below this mark, she could be a sell, okay? And I'm not talking about a couple of tenths of a penny she drop. She could drop hard. So keep your eyes on this. I believe she's going to start rebounding off this level and form support. We'll see what happens heading in there. Just remember, if you're in this position, if you hadn't taken profits, you really have no one but yourself to blame currently. Okay, obviously remember, news comes out, it can disrupt on the good side. We really don't care if the news is good, she explodes, right? We don't care about good news disrupting. We care about bad news disrupting. Whoever's wrong. Obviously, shorts care for bad news disruption. That's good news to them. All right. So keep your eyes on her, and we'll see where she progresses. She should start trailing up. If not, remember, key sell point is below 0.0226. So be cautious and watch your trades. Remember to follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Visit my site to review other trading reports, or if you're interested in our upcoming live trading courses, thetradingteacher.com.